In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine and doing good at home. This is our third lecture of Nature Study Docket. Today we will learn and understand chapter number 2, page number 5, and the name of the chapter is The Atmosphere. Before we start our lecture, I will tell you about atmosphere. The atmosphere is a thin layer of gases that surrounds the earth. ज़मीन के इर्द गिर्द गैसेस की एक बारीक तह है जिसे फ़िज़ा कहते हैं. It protects us from electromagnetic radiation given off by the sun. फ़िज़ा की ये तह हमें सूरज से निकलने वाली किरणों से बचाती है. Now read with me. Air is everywhere. हवा हर जगह है. All around us, हमारे इर्द गिर्द. The cover of air around the earth is called atmosphere. ज़मीन के गिर्द हवा के कवर को फ़िज़ा कहते हैं. The atmosphere cannot be seen. फ़िज़ा को देखा नहीं जा सकता because it has no color. क्योंकि इसका कोई कलर नहीं है. Read again. Air is everywhere, all around us. The cover of air around the earth is called atmosphere. The atmosphere cannot be seen because it has no color. Now we will learn the difficult words. Start with me. A-I-R, air. E-V-E-R-Y, every. W-H-E-R-E, where. Everywhere. C-O-V-E-R, cover. C-A-L-L-E-D, called. A-T, at. M-O-S, must. P-H-E-R-E, fair. Atmosphere. S-E-E-N, seen. B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. C-O-L-O-U-R, color. The atmosphere is a mixture of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases. Without the atmosphere, there could be no life on earth. फ़िज़ा के बग़ैर ज़मीन पर ज़िंदगी का वजूद नामुमकिन है. फ़िज़ा में ऑक्सीजन की मौजूदगी ज़िंदगी के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. Now this is your home task. Read and understand page number 5. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.